Hey guys! For today's cravings, gagawa tayo ng homemade fish balls with manong sauce. So I have here carrots and onions, i-food processor lang natin. Tapos I use basa fish, fillet na yung binili ko para mas mabilis. Ilagay lang natin sa blender at dapat ganito na siya kapino. Imimix ko lang dito yung carrots and onions na blend natin kanina. Then we'll transfer the mixture into a mixing bowl tapos lalagyan natin ng mga pampalasa. So I added Maggi seasoning, a little bit of MSG, salt and pepper, sugar, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and chicken flavored seasoning. Add some water and mix all together. By the way guys, sorry I don't have an exact measurements for this recipe. Tinansya-tansya lang kasi ng asawa ko ang paglalagay. Siya na yung pinagtimpla ko para siguradong masarap. So eto na, this is ready to cook pero mas maganda kung ilagay muna natin sa fridge for at least 2 hours bago lutuin. But in this case, nagluto na kami agad para matikman naman namin kung ano ang lasa, kung kasing sarap ba ng fishball ni Manong. Yung mixture pala na nagawa namin ay masyadong marami para sa isang lutuan na good for 2. Kaya hinati ko lang sa 3 at ilalagay ko sa freezer yung iba. At ito na, matitikman ko na din. Pero hindi pa kumpleto ang fishball natin kung wala ang manong sauce. So lalagyan natin ng 2 cups of water ang saucepan, 1 cup brown sugar, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar, salt and pepper, Maggi seasoning, cornstarch, then mix. By the way, hindi pa naka-on ang stove nito guys. Gusto muna nating i-dissolve yung sugar and cornstarch bago natin i-on ang stove. At muntik ko nang makalimutan, add 1 teaspoon minced garlic. Turn on the stove into medium heat and continuously stir the sauce hanggang lumapot. And this is it. Ita-transfer ko lang sa mason jar. And now, let's try our fish balls. Let's eat!